Alright, how y'all doing? So I had an awesome find yesterday. After finding the Sky Striker one, I was on the lookout for some of the others. I found out through the grapevine that on the His Tank forum that they had more of these G.I. Joe sets available out in regular retail stores. So I did the search yesterday. I went to Tuesday morning where I found this little gem. I tried Family Dollar, tried Dollar General. The only store that we have available in my immediate area that I did not try was Big Lots, and that was because I didn't make it over to that side of town. But I was really excited about this one. I found this at Tuesday morning store. According to them, the estimated value or retail price would be like $29.99, but it was there for about 15 bucks, $14.99. So this is the G.I. Joe Rattler, basically the Cobra equivalent of an A10 Warthog, and it also shows you some other vehicles that are available. The His Tank, the Cobra Ferret, the Cobra Fang helicopter, and the Night Raven. Now the Night Raven, they did have a pack with it, but it also had a Sky Striker in it. It was in a dual pack. And the Sky Striker I built on this channel was 100 pieces. The Sky Striker and Night Raven together were 150 pieces, and so I was like, oh, so I'll end up with a second Sky Striker that's not the same scale as the original one I built. So I felt it was kind of fitting, even though I love the Night Raven as a toy as a child. I never did actually own it. One of my best buddies that I played G.I. Joe with actually had the Night Raven. I had the Sky Striker. So I just chalked that one up to, well, maybe I'll get it, but right now my leanings are not to. But I was really looking for like the Ferret or the Ninja Commando cycle, because last night me and the fam went and saw the Snake Eyes Origins movie, and you know, we enjoyed it for what it was. I may do a review later on our thoughts on it, but anyway, back to this. So this is one of the largest ones that I've seen of this set. It's 244 pieces. Comes with 4 minifigs. So you have Cobra Commander, Destro, and then 2 Army Builder sort of Cobra Troopers there. Without any further ado, let's crack this thing open. So once again, I got the tapes. They're in good shape and all. That was the other thing, is the box for the Sky Striker Rattler the other day. Both of them had been through the ringer. Of course, they were not as solid a box as this. This is kind of about 1/8 inch thick cardboard. The other were kind of that paper thin cardboard. So take it for what it is. All right, so let's unbox this sucker. And in true format, they give you a nice 4-tray division here. You got your 4 bags, you've got your stickers, labels, and you've got your instruction sheet. So you can see it's a little more in-depth, more steps involved. Of course, I mean, that's to be expected. It's a 244 piece excursion here. So without any further ado, we're gonna get to it. of stress and doings. There's the finished product. Down to wheels. And then of course we got two regular Cobra soldiers, Cobra Commander and Distro. So considerably a little bit more complicated than the previous one, but still a pretty good time altogether. So till next time.